Gold price analysis, we will be looking at the weekly, the daily and the 4-hour chart. Current price sitting at 1719. Trading view is telling us that gold is currently in the sell region. Let me know in the comments if you agree with trading view or not. So let's take a look at the weekly chart. At first glance we can see that this area, let me put a box over here. This area looks very important for gold. Lot of wicks in this area and then always tries to bounce back from here even recently, and again we are in the same area. This buying range is actually since 2020, but if I try to zoom out and let me show you something, this was previously the resistance area in 2011 till 13. So very key level. This is basically 1730 till 1680. On the weekly chart, two things are actually very important. First is the 100 moving average in purple and the second one is the 200 moving average in red. So you can see we're trying to find support over here, so that is why some possibility is there that we might see 1690 1700 roughly. Going back in history, if we look over here also, you can see whenever the price is below the purple and the red line and the RSI in the bottom is also below 35 or 30, this actually has been a good time to buy gold. Once again we can see over here we tried to reach that range and we were on the purple line, hence we saw the bounce towards 1800, and now we are getting rejected from there coming down. So maybe once again we will see the purple area. Moving on to the daily chart, there are two very important things. First is this line over here, the point of control, which represents the area of large volume, which is sitting at 1791 currently, and another pocket of volume is sitting in this region roughly 1720. So these two numbers can be important for gold. And then you can see the 200 moving average on the daily acted as a resistance, and that is why we bounced till here and then dropped from here. So the range from 1791 till 1800 roughly can be a sell target in the near term. RSI on the daily chart is showing 36.5 approximately. Now moving on to the 4-hour chart, this thing is actually very important. Look at this. On the 4-hour chart we got rejected from the 200 moving average. That is why we have to keep an eye on the moving averages. They are very important. But let me show you something extremely important. First let's take a look over here. The price is making a lower low, but the RSI has made a higher low. So basically we are having a bullish divergence in this buying zone. So this is very important. Even this one is a lower low and the RSI has roughly stayed flat. So yeah, bullish divergence forming on gold, and also we are in the interesting buying area. So maybe we can buy some over here and then put another order at the end of the range, so that somewhere in the middle we can make our average price, and whenever price shoots back up from here we make good profit. So this was a quick analysis of gold looking at the weekly, the daily and the 4-hour time frame. Let me know in the comments what do you think is going to happen. Do you think in September we will see lower prices or we will see a bounce from here? Let me know in the comments. Until then, thank you and good luck trading.